This video demonstrates how an admin sets up the Enpass for Business application. Go to Focus Actions. Proceed to Essential Steps. Click to download the app. Now continue to install Enpass. First, the user needs to verify that there is valid subscription associated with their business email. They authenticate using a 6-digit code received in their email. After successful verification, the user is ready to proceed with the setup. Next, the user connects Enpass to their official Microsoft 365 OneDrive account. This action redirects them to the browser, where they select the correct account and authorize the connection. After successful authorization, the user is redirected back to the Enpass application. Enpass is now ready to create the user's vault on OneDrive. The next step is to choose a strong master password following the company's security policies. This master password serves as the key that encrypts the user's Enpass vault. It protects data stored both locally on the device and in OneDrive. With the master password confirmed, the setup is complete and Enpass is ready to use. Thanks for watching.